Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the FB112CKL. Additional model numbers that apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need a 10mm hex Allen wrench, 1.5mm hex Allen wrench, channel lock pliers, and diverter part FBRP112D. Using pliers, gently turn the cap counterclockwise while placing a towel in between to loosen it. Remove cap by hand. Use 10mm hex Allen wrench to remove diverter by turning counterclockwise. Retrieve diverter from spout body using 1.5mm hex Allen wrench. Insert new diverter onto the spout body. Secure new diverter in place by turning clockwise with 10mm hex Allen wrench. Install cap back onto the faucet by turning clockwise with hand. That's it. You have successfully completed the diverter replacements.